In this video, we will be seeing a C++ program where we will use constructor and destructor. So I'm starting with the C++ program using include IO stream. And then in the next line, I'm taking using namespace std. Now constructor is a special member function which gets automatically executed when we create an object for a class. So class I'm creating as by A. So here I have created a class by name A, and after the class, I will be taking the main function. So constructor will have same name as class name. So I will be taking the constructor name as A, as it should have same name as class name, and constructor will not return any value. So we have not taken any return type for constructor. And within the constructor, I am giving a message as welcome. And if you want, you can keep a endl also to get the cursor to new line. So this is a constructor of class A. So constructor is a special member function which we need not call for execution. So we don't require calling of constructor in our program for its execution, but it gets executed automatically whenever we create object for the class in this manner. So I'm creating in main the object for class A. You can see here in this line, I have created obj as object for class A. Now, if I compile the program, if any errors, so here we did not specify any access specifier. So let's give it public so that it is accessible. Now compile it, and I got 0 errors or warnings. And when I run it, I get welcome printed on screen, which is present in constructor. So because of this constructor, we got the output as welcome. And you can see we did not call this constructor in main, but we have only created object for constructor. So whenever we create object for a class, constructor will assign memory or allocate memory to the object. Whereas we also have destructor. So destructor starts with this tilde symbol followed by the class name, and it deallocates the memory from the object. So I am here writing a message as by, or you can also take it as like object. Here you can take a message object created just for our information. And here you can take object destroyed. So it deallocates memory from a created object and it allocates memory to the created object. So when I compile this, so need not call destructor, and for whatever object we have created, when the use of that object is over in its scope, it will automatically execute destructor or takes away the memory from that particular object. So when I run this, I get object created welcome. This is by constructor, and when the object is not in use, it will it will deallocate the memory from object and gives you this message as the destructor gets executed when object is not in use.